stars and high. From Nairobi she can touch the sky. Princess of YouTube, she's on the run.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So I'm back with a new video. On this vlog I wanted to prepare chapatis, but I'm not feeling quite okay. I'm not feeling well. Like, you know, this weather, this weather, it's raining every time. So I had a cold or a flu. So if I won't cook today, maybe later. But then I wanted to show you, I have a small package with me here. I have a small package with me here. So I've always wanted a customized bonnet, leave alone these bonnets. You see, this is what I have. Several bonnets, but sizipendi, sijui kwa nini. You see, like I have several of them, but they keep on zinashinda zikiraruka. They keep on is it tearing? Yeah, so I ordered this online and I want us to unbox it together. I just wanted to order one so that I can be sure what I'm ordering, and then tuendele. Yeah, so let me see how it looks. So by customized, I mean like written my name. You know what I mean? Yeah. So here it is. I wanted black in color. Actually, guys, the good thing, let me show you. The good thing about this bonnet, it's a 2-in-1. So see, and then it's big. You see, it's big. So here is what I mean by customized. Let me show you. I hope you're going to see well. I don't know if you'll see well, but so this is my name, Hilda, okay? Hilda, yeah, this is my name. So you can either choose to wear the black side or the pink side. You see? You choose the one that you want. And the quality, top notch. So we do testing. Testing kidogo. Sorry, I had to have my jacket on. It's cold, I mean cold, and it's only 5 p.m. So let us see. Wait. Oh. Kama nimevaaje? I hope I've worn it the right way. So that's how it looks, okay? Hivyo ndio inakaa. You see? Yeah. See right here. At least it's big enough. Like if you have a lot of hair, mnaelewa, you know what I mean. Kama uko na nywele nyingi kwa kichwa, this is the ideal one for you. So yeah, so my name, and yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, and then we try the other side. So you have seen that one, that is part one. Or either way, you can wear it like this. Let me show you. You can wear it like that. Okay? You can wear it like that. Or the pinky side. So you have seen. Yeah, I'll write it that way. So you choose your own color, the color that you want. So yeah, that was it. So let's meet later.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feel?
Mambo?
Poa. Brother stands up on a pink.
Ni vile apartment yetu ina nini, ina jina. Hey guys, welcome to this vlog. So I have some order with me here. This is ice cream. So let me see what's inside. Like today I was too lazy to prepare dinner. Okay, today I was too lazy to prepare dinner, so I had to take this, and it's been a while since I took chicken, so I had that craving. So here it is. This is how it looks. Okay, yeah, but I'm going to put it in the freezer first before I take it. Yeah, then you have this one. So guys, this is how it looks. See, there were 1, 2, 3, there were 5 pieces. Yeah, and then I have some sauce with me here, and then the fries, and then of course coleslaw. This is coleslaw for those who don't know coleslaw. So I had to order even coleslaw. I don't know how it tastes. Sweet. Yeah, so that will be my dinner for today. But of course I cannot finish the whole chicken, you know. So yeah, so let's have dinner. You're welcome.
Take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put her ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Love you cause I'm showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. Try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their loss if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards cause if you down. Big couple goals if you down. When I attention, we go down if you're down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make many more. got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, hold me down, hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say, I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down, hold me down, hold me down. Cause if you're down, I can take you on the cross if you're down. I might put that ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Let me know, cause if you're down, we gon' win all the awards if you're down. We couple goals if you're down. When I touch down, we go down if you're down. Just let me know if you're down.
Imagine, like I'm feeling I'm already full. Sijui kwa nini. I think it's because of the coleslaw. Like it's making me feel mshashiba, you know. Fanya tu nisikie nimeshiba. But it's and then you do it with a cold drink. Yeah, guys, so anyways, let me enjoy my dinner, okay? Yeah, let me enjoy my dinner. Oops.